Welcome back to the Hair Obsess Club, HairObsess Jay C. This is my makeup look for my collaboration video. You guys can check that out in the cards above. So the steps that you see me take here for this makeup look is for oily skin. So the first thing I do is hydrate my skin, and then I'm going to use my blotting powder to dry that in, and then I'm going to use my mattifying face primer from Makeup Forever to top that off before adding any other makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please thumbs up the video, comment down below on what you think of how this makeup turned out. And I'm going to be listing all the products that I use in the description box below.
Stala biri kere poro. Stala kiri kere popo.
So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like this makeup look. Let me know if I did it justice. Obviously, I'm not a makeup guru, but to me, this looks pretty good. It's a glamour look, soft look, 2 colors, and it's pretty. Comment down below, let me know how I did with my glamour look. I feel pretty, I think it looks good. So you guys already know the drill. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video if I did it justice in this makeup look. Hit the notification bell so I don't miss any of my videos. Hashtag HairObsessClub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.